What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. Finally filled this platinum break. There better be something big because it took a while. So, this is the top 5 wins 50-50. That live timestamp is at 9:10. It's 9:10 here in Denver. So, we got Mike Collette on top and Mike Somich on the bottom. We're going to get our list. Mike Collette on top. Mike Somich on the bottom, no spaces in between. Mike's missing a 1. I guess I missed that, but that doesn't matter. Good luck, everybody. 3 times. 1, 2. LaBarge on top after 2. And that timestamp is in at 9:11. It's 9:11. Third and final time, everybody. Good luck. Mike Collette, Bev, LaBarge, Bev, and Somich. Somich got some tough luck there. Congratulations, guys. That final timestamp is in at 9:11. It is 9:11 again. 3 times. 3 times. Top 5 winning. Mike, Bev, Mike, Bev, Mike. And you will get those corresponding. So if you want me to, I can do this real quick so it's easy for you guys. So there we go. All right, so Collette gets the Flyers, Bev gets Ottawa, Mike LaBarge gets the Islanders, Bev gets the Rangers, and Mike gets Carolina. Thanks, guys.